in the whisper of life, in search of the hidden treasures, colors dispersed as a blood in earth, blue in the vein of civilization, in search of human salvation, a man in eternal need of growth and prosperity. The rhythm of the turning wheels in industry began in Iran in the early 20th century. Since 80 years, the modern Iranian art has been formed by individuals who, through their perseverance and constant efforts, caused the pleasant resonation and rhythm of these turning wheels in industry. Modernity in urban development and changes in the essence of cities in Iran began in the Qajar era, but was especially noticed in the 70s. In this period, we can witness the meaning of the modernity in cosmopolitans, Tehran in particular, where we can point out all dimensions as economy, industry, and culture. Since 40 years, Iran entered a new era of industry. After centuries of striving to improve, a people full of love attempt to let the light shine on this land through thick walls of stone. Industrial independence, through a sense of self-belief, turned into an attainable horizon which is named Resitan Company. 150 kilometers far from Tehran, among awaiting grape winds, it's here that a serious campaign, reliant on science, leads to monumental feats. It's here that we look at the resin industry in a different way, with ever keen eyes. We have put ourselves to use intelligence in order to see this celestial land in a different perspective, using new science and technologies in order to let the differences shine ever more obvious. 3 decades of trust in the internal expert struggles led the Resitan Company to try to satisfy the world markets as well as internal needs by producing resins in painting and industry. Resitan Company, based on providing the needed materials within and outside the country, took steps forward, establishing a new unit in 2005 for innovating the resin with durable quality and adding other resins which were not available till that time. This approach manifested itself in all the products and has brought very valuable experiences in the area of resin production industry in Iran. The deep insight of Resitan's management launched the immense project of expanding to meet the entire needs of market. In order to conform to universal standards, Resitan company, with non-stop efforts benefiting from the latest technological knowledge of German experts, completed the first phase of expansion project line in 2012, valued more than 23 million euros. This project includes 7 fully automated resin production reactors with nominal capacity of 167 tons per day, which are all equipped with blenders and modern accessories, including fully automated control panels and online viscometers, solvent-based and water-based acrylic resin reactors with a capacity of 20 tons per day, unsaturated polyester resin reactors with a capacity of 44 tons per day, saturated polyester resin and powder epoxy reactors with the capacity of 28 tons per day, alkyd resin reactors with a capacity of 60 tons per day, amino resin reactors with a capacity of 15 tons per day. The Resitan company production process. The production operation begins with the preheating of some raw materials in the heating room and transferring them to the main storage. They are all then in an automated fashion moved to the daily production storage following computerized scaling, dumping inside the reactors. The expansion project phase is built in a 4-story building which, along with the raw material storage, is vertical, based in the underground. The section for loading raw material is equipped with load cells, providing the operator with the ability of controlling the charge of the reactors with higher precision. On the third level, there are 7 reactors which are guided through the control room in a fully automated manner. The control room is equipped with a computer hardware and software systems which based on the latest technologies of Germany. And also as a new innovation in industry, using online viscometers for each reactor. In this way, the operator, without any need for sampling during the process, is informed of the molecular processing mass and can get information with high degree of accuracy on the completion of the reactions inside the reactor. On the second level, there are blenders or thinning tanks. In addition, the required samplings take place in this level. Online viscometers are present in this level. On the first level, the necessary filters collect the undesirable residuals and waste and dumping the residual particles separated from the primary matters or settled clots. On this level, the valves for the pipes transferring the products to the standing tanks are placed. In the vicinity of this equipment, this building is equipped with automated fire extinguishers with water and carbonated gas according to the international standards. Chemical reactions according to the prescribed guidelines are performed by trained staff under specific conditions of heat, pressure, pH, etc. Precision instruments are directed through the control room. The quality control unit has two fully equipped laboratories in the factory. The task of this unit is the inspection of controlling of the raw material entering the plant, inspection and controlling of the products being produced in the reactors and also the final product. The inspection includes the level of purity, viscosity, color, acidity number, mechanical characteristics and specifications according to DN and ASTM standards. The fatty acid unit. 3 decades of perseverance, 2 years of research and study has indications of men and women who managed from the lowest quality raw material to the highest possible capacity, obtained a first-grade product and used its wastes in agriculture. In the process of fatty acid production, the raw material is moved to the storage using several pumps. They are then guided inside the distillation column as soft water, which has reached the desired temperature before using heat converters entering the column. Raw material and soft water are mixed at high temperature and pressure. Following this stage, the mixed matters lead into steel storage tanks through connection pipes in order to cool off for removing the excess water. The removed water is transferred to the purification unit and the material to the other storage tanks. In this stage, all impurities are removed by creating a high-level heat using hot oil supplied by the boilers. The impurities are dumped in several steel storage tanks and the pure materials in their separate columns. At this stage, the two products, including the fatty acid and glycerine, are separated and the product is led inside the storage tanks. For fast supply of primary materials and reduction in expenses, Resitan Company has the exclusive rights to a train station 15 km from the plant, which exclusively facilitates the dumping of the raw material. The preparation of the said station is done by the Resitan Company specialists. The fatty acid unit is among the largest production units in the nation, with a capacity of 25,000 tons per year at a value of more than 8 million euros and 66 billion reals. R&D is the Research and Technology Center. Resitan Company is equipped with the latest modern equipment and technology, which compared to the other resin production plants makes it a pioneer and has been able to formulate and produce various new products with the latest formulas in the world in order to meet the needs of different industries and production plants. The aim of this unit is the customer satisfaction and providing services in order to satisfy the clients through appropriate professionalism. Resitan Company is a unique and distinct company in the resin and painting industry in Iran. Resitan Company's products are liquid, powder, and crystalline form presented in universal standard packaging. The storage of company products by increasing the rate of supply and delivery of the produced goods prevents any kind of time loss. The company produces more than 130 types of resin in various categories: phenolic resins, solid and liquid, foundry resins, alkyd and modified alkyd resins, unsaturated polyester and vanilla ester resins, saturated polyester resins, liquid and solid, acrylic, thermoset and thermoplastic resins based on organic and water solvents, solid epoxy resins, amino resins, and other specialized resins in various industries such as die casting industry, brake cleaning, paint production, composite and fiberglass, piping, boat manufacturing, electrical works, non-flammable bricks, automobile manufacturing, and other related industries where they're in use. The nominal capacity of the project with the current productions of Resitan will be more than 75,000 tons of products annually, which with a disciplined production plan will reach 110,000 tons. The management at Resitan hopes to be able to take a step forward, eliminating the dependence on the various types of industrial resin, creating employment and help in the advancement and development of our beloved country, Iran. This step proves that expansion project is considered not only a requirement but an irreplaceable necessity which has a direct relation with our national interests. The sales department of this company will process any purchase order promptly and considers on-time delivery as its policy. Major steps have been taken. Sustained development of the group with the aim of completing the basket of products, a successful and growing presence in the local and international markets including Armenia, Azerbaijan, Iraq, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, UAE, Sudan and Qatar, increasing GNP, creativity and innovation in developing new products, increased accurate and correct planning in local and regional productions, accurate forecasts necessary for macroeconomic planning in the private sector, development of the country and increase in national wealth and power by achieving a brighter future thanks to the outstanding efforts of the management and employees, among numerous irreplaceable benefits of Resitan Company.